These were my stats, and this is how I made my medical school list. For context, my application had a lot of clinical hours followed by research. First, I filtered out schools whose MCAT averages were way too high. I wanted to apply to schools where my MCAT was their median, if not a little higher. Having more of a research focus, I then added schools that also prioritized research. Then I didn't listen to my advisor and proceeded to add a lot of California schools since that's where I wanted to be location-wise. I added these 3 service-heavy schools because I did have a strong background that would tie in well with the volunteering I did. In total, I applied to 23 schools, which I think is on the lower end these days, but I was very picky about the schools I did apply to and made sure I met their mission as much as possible. Ultimately, I received 7 interview invites. Most of my invites came from schools that also prioritized research, which really showed me how important school mission is because I don't think I would have gotten as many interviews if I didn't look into that. From those 7, I was accepted to 3 and waitlisted at the other 4, and this basically concludes my application cycle. I do have my primary and secondary applications available to read in my bio.